Hi everyone, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do the sweeps. It's super easy and I just want to make sure everybody knows that we're doing it this way. Alright, so personally, I don't like to do it via mobile because, you know, I like to look at Ignite. So what I do is, so it depends on, I'm on my laptop right now, so the screen is a little big for me. So I usually go down to like 75%, but that's just me because, I'm weird. So I go down, well, actually, no, let me not do that because, I need to fucking do the video for you guys. So let me go back up. So I go to members, right? And we're doing it by group. So everybody's going to have specific groups that they do. And we're going to go to all groups and we're going to go to action first, right? And then we're going to click on go. So every single person that is sorted in the actions group is going to show up on this list. Well, these are members. We're going to do admins too, obviously. All right. So view posts is the little heart, right? So you right click, open new tab, right click, open new tab, right click, open new tab, right click, open new tab. All right, let's just do a little sweep in this video. I'm sorry, I sound out of breath because I'm in the bathroom and people are gonna think either I'm taking a shit or I'm talking to myself and it's gonna be really super awkward. Anyway, almost done. But you see how quick this is? You see my other tabs, how they're all loading? And you just let it load in the background. It'll take its sweet time sometimes, depending on your computer or whatever. But guess what? All right, so now I'm looking at this person's posts. Aurora Mariano, and they posted yesterday. They're active, so we closed them out. This person, Bexley Fazio, posted on February 15th. They are right about now. They're still not inactive, but they about to be. This person is about to be inactive too. And then this person is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're good. This person is definitely inactive. So we copy their name, right? And we put it on like a notepad. I just use my sticky notes and I put a comma next to their name, just like that, right? Then this person is flagged. Next. This person is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're good. This person is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are good. This person is completely good. This person is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're great. This person is okay. They did a wanted ad. This person is 1. Oh, this is. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. This person is barely good. They're about to be inactive soon. Okay. This person is good. This person is good. No, they're not good. This person is inactive. 13th. This person is very inactive. Well, I exited their thingy, but you're supposed to write down the name. Oops. Let me reopen the closed tab. So if you close the tab out like a dumbass like I did, you are definitely gonna do that. So that person is inactive, but you get the gist, right? I don't have to do all of this. I'm not doing a sweep here. And then obviously you go to action staff and then you go to go and then you check the staff accounts because we need to be held liable too. There's only 4 accounts. So you do the check-in and that's it. All right. Oh, and you have to cross match with the fucking style sheet, right? Not TD Bank. What's the style sheet called? Style sweeps? Maybe it's called sweeps. I don't know. Fuck, of course not. Of course, I'm not gonna have it in my tabs. No. Where was I talking? Where's Nick? Nick. Please tell me you link me. Yes. So this, you're gonna update here. with the person's name. You know what? I might just take out the alias because the alias right now is kind of unimportant. We'll see how I feel in a second, but alias, name, face, first strike, second strike, or forfeit, saved, yes or no. So you're gonna update these names as you go. I usually do it as I go, but it's up to you how you want to do it. Some people wait until they send out the PM and then slowly update it. I like to do it like this. I like to update it as I go. Sorry, I didn't have the sweep thing open. That's why I couldn't show you how I would do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super easy to do if you do it by groups. So let's say it's between the 10 of us, if we're all online and during that time, it will literally take us no time at all because we'll all grab like 3 or 4 groups and we'll be done in like 20 minutes tops. And we will not be editing the sweep list all at once. I think we need to take turns on that, but then that we could discuss via thingy. All right, I'm done. Bye.